Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices moved higher on Friday and notched a fifth consecutive weekly gain, with market attention focused on further cues after the US Federal Reserve delivered its first rate cut of the year. The dollar strengthened to end last week, extending its rebound against most major currencies, as traders reviewed the near-term outlook after the Federal Reserve cut interest rates this week, but signalled gradual easing in the future. Investors withdrew massive capital out of US equity funds in the week to September 17th as they turned cautious about the market's lofty valuations, following the recent rally through a policy rate cut by the Federal Reserve and rushed to lock in profits.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.